Although our planet Earth has been a wonderful cradle for our species, at times the conditions here have been inhospitable.
Life in glacial Europe was really, really tough. On top of much of North America, the northern part of North America, all of Canada, and much of Northern Europe, there are glaciers a mile thick. The glaciers influenced every aspect of daily life. The glaciers control the temperature, the glaciers control the weather, the glaciers pull moisture out of the air. So life during the glacial maximum was a time of snow, but also a very dry time, which means there's fewer plants, the animals are moving around a lot more. It's a world filled with predators. Humans were competing with lions, were competing with leopards, competing with wolves and bears. It was a tough time for our species to survive, but we did.
What humans have to survive is something that no other species has, and that's a level of adaptability that was completely unprecedented. During the Ice Age, you see humans figuring out how to do things to survive in this very cold climate. Humans don't need to adapt biologically. They don't need to evolve their bodies. They can just change their behaviors. They can learn new skills, build new tools, figure out new ways to hunt, new ways to stay warm. And that's what happened during the Ice Age.
The currency of the Ice Age is energy. Conserve energy. If you have more energy, you can have more children. You can do more things. What allowed our Ice Age ancestors to have more energy at their disposal? The needle.
The invention of the bone needle is a huge leap forward because they could take the skin of a furry beast, sew them back together again, and make it their own.
The needle allowed them to tailor clothing close to the body, to keep heat in. The quintessential feature of our species is cooperation and behavioral variability, and the two work together. We come up with different solutions to the same problem, and we work together to figure out which one is best to deploy under these circumstances.
So the Ice Age was as huge, as much as a challenge, it was an opportunity. They pushed their skills and they pushed their technology in a way that if they'd remained in one comfortable place, they might not have had to adapt so quickly.